Good evening, everyone. Once again, I would request everyone to kindly keep their mic on mute and your video should be on. Good. Okay, so I hope everyone is fine. You can just give me a thumbs up if I am audible clearly. Okay, great. So today, for now, we don't have to write anything. So you can keep your pencil, books, eraser aside, and we will have one interesting interactive session. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So today, the topic that we will be doing is communication. Okay? Have you heard about this word communication? Just give me yes or no. Have you heard about this word communication? Yes or no? Great. Okay. Anybody who would like to tell me its meaning? What is the meaning of communication? Anybody, you can just raise your hand. If you know the meaning of the word communication, you can just raise your hand. Okay, we have Sarthak, we have Abhijay. Yes, Sarthak, first you can tell. Once again in English. Try to speak in English. Try. Sarthak, try karo. I will help you. Just try. What do you want to say?
बोलो
बोलो.
I talk with other.
जोर से बोलो
Yes.
I talk to other.
Yes, when we talk to others. Very good. Okay, just try to speak. No problem. In case if it is wrong, I will help you. Okay. Okay, Abhijay, we can have your answer also. Yes, Abhijay, what is the meaning of communication?
Then when we communicate something to anyone.
Yes, communicate. What is the meaning of communicate? To tell something. Okay, to tell something to someone. Good. So, now this is for everyone, as you all have heard this word communication. आप सबने सुना है communication. इसका meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of the word communication? Okay, it means like Sarthak said and Abhijay said, to tell something. When we are talking, like for now, I am talking to you people. Okay, you are listening to me and you are getting what I am telling. Yes or no? You people are getting what I am saying? Yes. So this is communication. I am communicating to you people. Okay? When we give any kind of information or we say something to someone, that is called as communication. Giving or receiving also. Now, communication is two-way. Communication cannot be one way. If I am only speaking, and there is nobody who is listening to me, is my communication process completed or not? No. Now I am speaking to you people. I am giving you the information. You people are listening to me and you are understanding. And when I am asking you, you are also giving me the answer. Okay. So it is giving of information also and receiving of information also. Clear? Communication is you don't have to write. Nobody needs to write. Just sit straight with folded hands and have a look at the board. Okay? No need to write. Okay. So, if we talk about communication, it is information. Giving of information, sharing of information, and also receiving. Okay? Like one person is here and other person is here. So, he is sending some information to this person. And he is answering. He is giving back. He is receiving and then giving back. So, he is also receiving. So, it is a two-way process. Communication means giving and receiving of information. If you are talking to somebody and he's answering you, he's understanding what you are saying, that means your communication is successful. If you are giving information to someone, that means you are communicating with that person. Clear, everyone? Any confusion? Understood the meaning of communication, everyone? I know you people have heard this word many times, but the meaning of this word should also be known to everyone. Now, this meaning of this word is communication means giving and receiving of information. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So now we will discuss about, okay, one by one, you would like anybody, not anybody, but I'll be asking everyone one by one. You will be telling me about means of communication. Now, what are means? What are means of communication? Have you heard about this word? Yes? You people have heard? Good. Very good. So, those who have not heard or are confused, what is the meaning? So, means of communication means mediums through which we can communicate. For example, if we talk about right now, you people are taking this class, you are sitting in front of a laptop or a smartphone. Yes? Yes? Sitting in front of a laptop or a smartphone and you are taking this class. You are in this class. You are listening to me. You are understanding what I am teaching. So, whatever device you are using, whatever medium you are using, that will come under means of communication. Okay? Clear? So, one by one, you people will be telling me what are the different means of communication. You people will tell me. So, we'll start with Arnav. Yes, Arnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arnav. Tell me one means of communication. Any means? Okay, one I will tell you. Abhi, I've already told you laptop or mobile phone or smartphone. Yes, Rahini.
Ma'am, newspaper.
Very good. Newspaper.
Ma'am, radio.
One by one. Newspaper. See, in Hindi, one second. In Hindi also I'm telling you, जिन चीजों के थ्रू, जिन चीजों की वजह से आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है, कम्युनिकेशन होता है, उन्हें हम मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट वन वी हैव गॉट न्यूज़पेपर, देन वी हैव गॉट रेडियो, What else? Yes, Sachi. Sachi, yes.
Ma'am, phone.
Mobile phone, okay. Abhijay, you want to tell?
Ma'am, television.
Television, very good. Anything else? Any other means?
Ma'am,
Aditya, yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, laptop.
Laptop, okay. Or computer, we can say. Laptop or computer, okay. Anybody else? Yes, Rudra?
Letter.
Letter, yes, I was waiting for this. Letters, very good. Letter, okay. Anything else? Yes, Abhijit?
Ma'am, telephone.
Telephone, okay. Okay, telephone. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Sorry?
mail.
Email, okay. Email also, yes, we can write email, okay?
Or ma'am, computer.
Yes, yes. That we have included in laptop only. Laptop, computer. Okay, email also. You don't have to write. Just have a look at the board. Sit straight. कुछ नहीं लिखना है. Understand these things. You don't have to write all the time. If you will be able to understand all this, then you can answer it quickly. Okay? So here are so many means of communication.
Computer.
Computer, yes. With laptop, we have written computer. Okay. So, we have written so many means of communication now. Now, in earlier days, pehle ke time mein, what used to happen? You people have seen in historic television drama or so, there is one king, he sends his one person to another king and he gives the information. ठीक है? एक राजा अपने यहाँ से एक सिपाही को या किसी को दूसरे राजा के पास भेजता था इंफॉर्मेशन लेके, लेटर लेके. Yes? All of you have seen that? So that was the older system, earlier. Then we have also heard that pigeons, kabutar, they also used to transfer the information. They also used to give the information or letter and they used to fly from one place to another. Yes? Then what happened? These means of communication started. First, it started with kind of letters, post. We used to post letters. Yes, you people have seen letter, postcard. Anybody? Very good. Good, Sartha. Good, Mannat. Good. Yes, Abhijay Samat. Yes, so these were the older means of, now also they are used, but earlier they were only the means of communication, letter and telegram also. Telegram. Now, what is the difference between letter and telegram? In letter, we used to send it through post. Like I want to send a letter to you. So I will write a letter. I will provide all the information in that letter. I will put the address, something and stamp on that. And then I will post. And it will take around 3, 4 or maybe more than more days to reach it to you. Okay. In telegram, what used to happen in telegram? You need to provide small information like in 2-3 lines. Okay. And this will reach faster. This will reach much earlier than letter. Okay. So people used both letter also and telegram also for giving information or for communication. Clear about these two? Then things changed. Then it came to modern communication means. Newspaper was also the older one. Okay, earlier newspaper was also there. All the information people used to gain information with the help of newspaper only. Information about world, not about one person or two person or one country or two country, but world. Okay, you can get all the information of this world in the newspaper. So people used to get information from newspaper also. Same is with radio. Okay, now radio you all must have heard. One RJ or one person is speaking and everybody can listen to them. Yes, everybody can listen with the help of radio. With the help of newspaper, can you people listen what is written in the newspaper?
No, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am,
Yes, you cannot listen, but you can read. Okay? In the radio, you cannot read, you cannot see, but you can listen. Okay?
ma'am, in television we can see and we can hear.
Yes. In television, if we talk about television, you can see, you can hear. Okay? So, radio, newspaper, radio and television. These are what kind of communication? Mass communication. Mass communication. Have you heard about mass communication?
Ma'am, many people.
Very good. Mass means so many people. Okay? So, one newspaper is, or information like in one newspaper is provided to so many people. Okay? In the morning, what happens in the morning? Every house gets one newspaper. Information is also similar. Yes? सारी न्यूज सेम होती है न्यूज़पेपर में. बहुत सारे लोगों को सेम न्यूज पढ़ने को मिल रही है. One time, one newspaper. So it is providing information to mass. Mass means so many people. Okay? That is why it comes under mass communication. Same is with radio. When you tune in the radio, that means when you on the radio, the RJ or any speaker, he is speaking. And so many people in the country or maybe outside, they are listening. At one time only, if one song is playing on radio. Okay, if one song is playing, so at one time, I am also listening to that song. You people are also listening to that song. Your friends are also listening. That means medium is one. Radio is one medium. And at one time, it is providing same information or it is giving information to so many people. So, mass communication. And the third one is television. Okay, like for example, I love, suppose any cartoon. Okay, I love to watch Chhota Bheem. Okay, you people also love to watch Chhota Bheem. So at one time only, we all are watching Chhota Bheem. Yes, in your television, we all are watching same cartoon one time with the help of television. So this also comes under the category of mass communication. Clear? Clear mass communication? What about letter, mobile phone, telephone, email? These are one-to-one communication. One-to-one means if I am calling Arnav, okay, I am calling Arnav. So Arnav is talking to me only and I am talking to Arnav. That means one-to-one. Okay. If I am talking about a smartphone, this was about telephone. If I am talking about mobile phone, one-to-one. I am calling my mama, I am calling my mother, I am talking to her. One-to-one communication. Nobody else is listening what I am saying. Nobody else is communicating. I am giving information to her and she is giving information or she is giving answer to me. Okay, if suppose I am saying, hello mama, how are you? And she is saying, I am fine. So I am asking her and she is giving me the answer. So I am communicating only with her. That means one-to-one. Okay, so in one-to-one communication, we can have mobile phone, letters also. If I am sending a letter to somebody, personal letter, so only one person is receiving. Email, if I am sending email to one person, to my sister or my teacher, anybody. So only he or she is receiving. That means one-to-one communication. Clear, everyone? Any confusion in one-to-one communication and mass communication? Got the difference? समझ आ गया वन ऑन वन कम्युनिकेशन क्या है और मास कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? यस अभिजय? यस बेटा?
Ma'am, mass communication means, for example, like I am watching TV and I'm in school and friends are watching also.
Yes. So that is mass communication. Okay. There is one episode only which everyone is watching at different places. If you are sitting in Delhi, you are watching. If I am sitting in Kolkata, I am watching. If your friend is sitting in Mumbai, he is watching. So we all are watching. Same information is given. Same episode, same cartoon we are seeing. That means mass communication. Clear? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, one activity we will be doing. And I will be asking you people. Okay, so here I am writing one-to-one. And here I am writing mass communication. Okay, one by one I am asking. You people have to tell me in which category this medium will, this means of communication will come. So we are starting with Sarthak. Okay. Sarthak, read this.
Ma'am, Telephone.
Telephone. So this will come under one-to-one or mass?
Ma'am, one-to-one.
Very good. So this will come under one-to-one communication. Okay. Next. Next we have Sachi. Yes, Sachi. Read बच्चे.
Television. Ma'am, television.
Television. So this will come under one-to-one or mass communication?
Ma'am, mass.
Mass communication. Yes, बच्चे. Mass communication. Okay. This will come under mass communication, which means at one time so many of us are getting same information, okay, with the help of television. Like for example, I've given you, if you are watching cartoon, I am also watching cartoon, your friend is also watching same cartoon. So at one time only, we are getting communication, we are getting information. So with the help of television. So television comes under category of mass communication. Good. Okay, Aditya. Aditya Negi, tell me.
Ma'am, radio.
Radio. Which category? Which category? One-to-one or mass communication?
Ma'am, 1-to-1.
Radio one-to-one? Only you are listening? Yes, Aditya. When we are listening radio, suppose one song is coming on radio. So every one of us is listening. You are also listening. I am also listening. Mama is also listening. Your friend is also listening. Yes. जब रेडियो पे कुछ आता है, कोई सॉन्ग आता है, तो हम सब सुनते हैं उसको. Yes. So it is mass communication. Okay. These are all means of communication. Okay. And this comes under two, one-to-one or mass. Okay. Arnav. Arnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, bache.
Letter.
What is this? Read slowly. Read slowly.
L-E.
L-E-T. Let. T-E-R.
Letter.
Letter.
Ma'am,
Okay.
letter.
Yes, one-to-one. Okay, I'm sending a letter. I've sent a letter to you. That means one-to-one. Good. Okay. Two more we have. Okay. Abhijay. Abhijay. Tell me.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. One-to-one or mass communication? Newspaper. Mass communication. Good. Okay. Mass communication. Newspaper is at one time, 1,000 lakhs of people are getting same information through one medium, that is newspaper. Okay. Rahini. Rahini.
Mobile.
Mobile phone. Yes.
Ma'am, 1-to-1.
Yes. One-to-one. If I am calling you, that means you are only talking to me. Your friends cannot listen what we are talking. Yes? So only we both are talking. One-to-one. Okay? Clear? Any confusion
Yes,
to anyone?
No, ma'am.
One more I have. Let's see. This is easy. Rudra. Rudra.
Face to face.
Face to face. If we are talking face to face, one on one or mass? One-to-one or mass?
1-to-1.
Yes, it is one-to-one because only two people are talking face to face. So one-to-one. Okay. One more I have, magazines. Just like newspapers, we have magazines also, books. Okay. So these are also mass communication. Okay. Magazines are also part of mass communication.
Ma'am, magazines are small books.
Small also, they are big also. Comics also you can use. story books. So these are mass. So many people can read. Clear, everyone? Any confusion to anyone? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
Clear? Concept of communication. Communication means giving and receiving of information. Okay? It can be one-to-one. It can be mass. And these are the medium. Why I have divided this? So that you can remember all these. So means of, if somebody says, tell me the means of communication. Means with the help of which medium you can communicate. So we can communicate through telephone, letter, mobile phone, face-to-face we can do, television, radio, newspaper, magazines. Okay, these are the laptop also we have done. Through email we can do, computer. These are all means of communication. Okay, so I'm sharing one screen. Just have a look. See, means of communication we have done: television, computer, radio, telephone, email, tablet. That is your mobile tab. Newspaper, mobile phone, letter, magazine, and most important is internet. With the help of internet only, we are able to use all these things, and we can communicate with our relatives or friends who are living far. Okay, with the help of internet, you can do video call, you can do WhatsApp call, voice call. So this is all with the help of internet. We can send messages also. Clear? Okay, one second. Okay, we can talk to anyone across the world using a, what we can use to talk? Telephone, radio, or post box?
Ma'am, telephone.
Telephone. You can use telephone, and we can talk anywhere in the world. You are sitting in Dehradun and you can call in Canada, London, America, anywhere you can call with the help of telephone. Okay. Landline phone you people have seen. It is fixed in one place. वो एक जगह पे होता है. It can be carried. आप उसको ले जा भी सकते हो. It is a smartphone. So which is correct? It is fixed. It can be carried, or it is a smartphone.
Ma'am, smartphone.
Landline बच्चे.
Yes.
Landline. जो पुराना वाला फोन होता था. It is fixed.
Ma'am, fixed.
It is fixed. You cannot take it anywhere. It is fixed at one place. Okay. Okay. Radio and television are email, internet, or mass communication?
Mass communication.
Yes, radio and television are mass communication. Okay. You watch, listen carefully. You watch and listen to songs on radio, television, or newspaper. Watch and listen.
Television.
It is television. You are watching. You are watching also, and you are listening also. Okay? Good. Yes. So, it is only on television that you can watch also, and you can listen also. In radio, you can only listen. You cannot watch. Okay? So, that was all for today. I hope you people have understood the concept. किसी को कोई confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope. Yes. Okay, so I hope after this class, you will revise a little bit. In case if there is any problem, you can ask me in your next class. Okay, that was all for today. And